Hi amazing people, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Do you love what you are seeing? Can you see how beautiful, how full, how natural, how neat this 2x4 lace closure is? Do you want to know how I achieved everything, how I did the venting, how I revived back the coils, everything? If it sounds like something you'll be interested in, okay, you want to know how I did everything, then stick with me to the end of this video because I'm going to show you guys everything from A to Z. So my returning subscribers, thank you guys so much. If you are here to subscribe, if this is the first time you are coming by my channel, please consider hitting the subscribe button. So this is the 2x4 lace that we're going to use. So to get my center pattern, I'll go ahead and just fold the lace into 2 equal parts, then kind of press it. Okay, I'm trying to get my center pattern. You can as well use your measuring tape, okay, to measure this. It's 2x4, just measure 1 inch by the left and then mark it. That's your center part. So I'll use pencil to just mark the place for my center part. Then I left a little space for sewing. Okay, this little space I left is now among the 2 inches. Okay, if you measure this, is exactly 2 inches, 2x4, sorry, 2x6. So I have to use my tape and measure 1 inch for my start point. Don't worry, I'm going to tell you the reason why I have to do that. We are making use of these pixie coils. Okay, the bundle I'm using is a pixie coils. I'm going to show you guys how I revived back the coils. Okay, that's the reason why you should stick to the end of this video. Do not skip any part so you don't miss any important part. So I'll go ahead and comb it after cutting it from the weft. Okay, when I'm done combing it, I have to pick just little amount. So to avoid wasting your hair, just go little by little. Okay, pick little by little. So when I pick the little amount, now this is the venting pin I'll be using. I'll go ahead and fold my hair not equally. Okay, one will be longer than one. If you've been following my videos, my channel, you should know exactly why I do fold my hairs like this whenever I'm making frontals or closures. Okay, so we are going to be making use of the split knot pattern for this one, single split. Okay, not the double split, single split. So I started with the line on my center part. Okay, I went on a line, divide my hair into 2, then pick one part and split it, then knot. Okay, pick my hair, split it into 2, pick one part and then I knot it. Okay, this is the single split knot pattern of ventilation, guys. This pattern of ventilation, you can use it when you are working with closures, frontals, especially if you have hair that when you are done venting it, the hair will lose. Okay, the hair will just ravel. Okay, you don't want it to lose, you can use this pattern. And another thing is, if you have to treat that particular hair, or if you have to bleach the knot of that lace, definitely split knot is what you should go for. Do not use single knots. Okay, so coming to the holes now, I'll skip a hole. Now vent on the second one like that, split my knot, split the hair and then knot it. Skip the first hole, pick the second one, split the hair and knot it. Okay, this is a single split knot. I'll go with my pin, one of the hole, pick my hair. I'm picking 3 to 1. Okay, 1 to 3 strands of hair here, split it, then pick one side and then I knot. Okay, going with my venting pin, after I skip the first hole, pick the amount of hair I need, split it, pick one part and then I knot it. Okay, so this is how to do the single split knot. I already told you guys the importance of this particular pattern of ventilation, guys. When you get a machine made closure, all this company made closure, look at them closely. The pattern they normally use is this split knot. It's either they do the single split knot or they do the double split knot. In my previous upcoming videos, okay, the videos I'll be making after these ones, I will show you guys the difference between these two, which one is better. I'll just air my view from all the experiences I've gotten, guys. This is just what I do. This is my work, okay? Hair ventilation, making braided wigs is what I do. Okay, so I'll share with you guys experiences I've gotten since I started this. Is it something that someone should venture it? I already said something about my training that is coming up, guys. Is it hair ventilation something someone should go into? Is it advisable for you to get this skill? Don't worry, I'm going to make a video on that. Just that I don't normally have chance, you know. It's season. When I mean season, it's season, guys. A lot of work on my head and no one is helping out. It's just me. Okay, so but I'll try as much as possible to be very consistent. Like if you notice, for over a week now I've not uploaded video. It's not like I don't have video to upload. This particular video, I've shot this video since, but just for me to have the time to edit it. But I'll try my possible best with bringing quality content for you guys. So when I'm done with this the first inches, okay, the 1 inch that we measured now, then from here now, instead of going the vertical way, I'm going to be venting diagonally. If you watch what I showed you guys earlier, so I'll be following the diagonal lines now instead of going the vertical way like we did. Okay, so now the different thing I'm doing here is that number one, I'm following the diagonal line. Number two, I'm not skipping any hole. If you watch closely, you will notice it. I'm not skipping any hole and I'm following the diagonal line instead of the vertical line. I'm following the diagonal line. Okay, I go in with my pin, pick my hair, split it into two, pick one part of it, then I give it a knot. I already said the importance of this particular pattern of ventilation. If you are to treat your hair, if you are to treat that frontal, if you are to treat that closure, okay, if you have to bleach it, please use split knot pattern. Do not use single knots. Okay, do not use single knot, just use the split knot pattern. Another thing about this pattern is that it makes your closure very full. It makes your closure to be very full. Okay, I've used this pattern to make closures for my clients and I've used the single knots and I've seen the reviews I've gotten, the one they prefer. So you know, you have to do what people want you to do. Okay, so I am splitting the knots. Okay, I split my hair into two, then pick one part and I knot it. I'll continue like this till I get to our center part. Okay, the place I marked as our center pattern. So when I get there, I'll show you guys how you are supposed to. There are two ways I do my center parts. Okay, a lot of videos to shoot, but just time. There are two ways I do my center parts. Okay, my upcoming videos, I'll make a video on how you can create two different ways you can create a very perfect, neat, amazing center pattern for your closures. Okay, I promise I'm going to make that video. So if you are not a subscriber to this channel or your notification is not turned on, please turn it on. If you're yet to subscribe. Okay, I have a lot of videos coming your way. You have to subscribe so that I'll take you on this journey. The one thing that is very important to me here in this channel, the reason why I started this channel is because I want to help a lot of people, guys. I want to help a whole lot of people who are interested in learning this skill. Okay, this is the talk I will do when I make a proper video on this, so let me just concentrate on this particular video. So when I get to the center part now, okay, all the holes on that line, I'm going to vent all of them. So what it means that even the holes on the lines I skipped, I will vent on it. So this is one way I do my center part. You want to know the second way? Subscribe. Okay, I'm coming for you. So I'll be venting all the holes. okay, including the holes on the lines I skipped. The line where I marked for the center part, all the holes there, I'll vent it. Then when I'm done with this first side, okay, moving over to this left side, I will still do the same thing, but this time around it will be the line after this particular one I'm venting. Okay, so I will vent the line after, just one, so it will now be half of this side, half of the line, this particular line, and then the half of the other one will now make it one, and the holes will be vented, so it will make your pattern to be very tiny. Me, I'm not a fan of bold patterns. See some persons when they do their closure, you see to the left 2 lines as their center part. Man, it's going to be so bold and it won't be looking so natural. I don't like that. I'm not even a fan of that. I've not even tried it because I don't even like it. I prefer my center pattern be so tiny and beautiful, so that's why I do this pattern. Okay, so I'll simply go ahead and vent all the holes on this center part, okay, creating the holes on the lines I skipped. Alright, one thing I like about this pattern of ventilation is that it's, number one, it makes your closure to be full. Number two, it doesn't lose, especially when you are to bleach or treat the lace. It won't lose. When you are combing your hair, it's not going to be losing. Okay, that's another thing I like about this pattern. So guys, if you know you have found any value from this video and you are with me to this point, you think you learned something or you're learning something new, consider subscribing. If you are yet to subscribe, turn on the notification bell. I'm open to take all your questions. The comment section is there for you to ask any question at all. Okay, ask any question at all. The comment section is there. I will attend to them. Alright, I'm thinking of doing a live video, but I don't know if you guys will be interested. If you're interested in that video where I'm going to go live and answer all your questions, okay, this one is live. You see me, you ask me the question and I answer. Okay, so if you want me to do something like that, let me know in the comment section, okay, so that I'll see how to plan it out and bring out time for it. So now this is it when I'm done. You see how the center pattern is looking on it, all natural. So the next thing I'm going to show you guys now is how I do the front now. So coming to the front now, I have to start with the line, okay, our center part, okay. I'll vent on a line, I skip a line, okay. I will do this just 4 times, okay. I'll just do it 4 times and I'm done. Then I'll go ahead and fill out the remaining space again, still using the diagonal pattern. So I vent on a line, I'll skip a line. I know you guys will be wondering, what is she doing? What is she doing? Have she forgotten that we are splitting the knots? Oh, I know what I'm doing. I'm not going to be splitting the knots for this front side. Okay, I'm not going to split in the knots. I'll just go ahead and single knot it, but I'm not going to do this much. That's why I said I'll do it 3 to 4 times. Okay, just 3 to 4 rows and I'm done. And I'm making use of the in-between lines, guys. Okay, I'm making use of the in-between lines. Now you know that whenever I'm making my closures, I'm a fan of in-between lines for the front side, guys, because it makes it look so natural and so amazing. So I will be venting in between the lines, which is all the lines I skipped earlier. I'm going to be venting on them. So I'll just do this 4 times and I'm done. Okay, don't worry, I'm showing you guys the end results, the reason why I use the in-between lines without splitting it. So guys, if you know you've not clicked that like button, hey, What's the problem now? Please click the like button. Click the like button. Comment if you have any question for me. Let me know. Okay. Make sure I answer all your questions. Okay. I don't think I have any question or answer. I do from time to time check my comment section to make sure that all questions are answered. Okay, because that's what matters to me. What matters is not about making videos and uploading on YouTube. What matters is people actually getting value from your video. Are they learning something? Yeah, definitely. Anybody that even if you don't have any idea on how to vent and you come across my channel, trust me, if you follow my videos, you'll be a pro. You'll be a pro in terms of hair ventilation. So this is it. See how natural is looking. So I'll just go ahead and repeat the same process now. The other side, the same thing, no difference. Just do the same thing the other side. Okay, see how full and how neat everything is. I'll just go ahead and repeat the same thing, and when I'm done with it, and this is the final product, just look at this, guys. Just look at this. When I delivered this particular work, trust me, the person was so happy. She was so happy. She said, it's so full, it's so beautiful, and once you do any job, definitely more are coming. That person will refer you. So if you're interested in my training, want to train under me, one-on-one training, let me know in the comment section. I am here for you guys. So this is before I revamped the coils. Okay, this is it, and now this is when I revive back the coils. Just water and conditioner, boom, that's it. That's how I revive the coils. Thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in my next video. Please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, comment. I love you. Bye.